Hello, this is Matasim, CEO of ThinkTech's Accounting Services. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can recover your QuickBooks Online ID, password, username, or your email address by using these tricks.
Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first of all, you need to uh, you need to come here in this page. I will share the link of this page, right? So once you click on this page, you will land on the QuickBooks page here, right? So here you need to go and just click on recover my account. Once you click on the recover my, you need to update that what would you like to recover. For example, phone number, email, or both, right? Let's suppose if I would like to recover a phone number, I will just click here, and then I need to provide all that information as well, right? So I'm just putting all that information. So once you put all this information, it will send you a QR code here, and uh, once you scan this code, so it will go into your phone and and it will ask you to provide further information.
Okay, so once you scan the QR code, so you will pop up in your cell phone in this page. So while you can continue, so once you click on the continue, the next page will appear, and it will ask you provide driver license or ID card or passport. So if you belongs to other than US or Canada, so it will ask you to give passport as well, right? So I'm just clicking on the passport. So okay, in this page it will ask you to provide the clear picture of the passport, and remember that once you are scanning or once you are taking the picture of the passport, it should be very clear as well, right? So if any lights appear in your passport, so the QuickBooks will not verify your identity as well. So remember, this is very important step, and once you put all these steps, so QuickBooks will confirm you hopefully in the next couple of minutes, and will update your phone number or email address which you have just given in the below step as well. So do let us know if you would like to see any other more informative video, and if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach us out. Thank you so much and have a great day.
If you think this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to our channel.